Continuing on with some winter maintenance, got my swing arm off, of course. I'm gonna really look at doing the bearings. The bearings look pretty good, actually. Just did my tires and they're fine. I'm gonna take these off. But when I took this off, I noticed something that I'm gonna look at a little closely. The rear chain guide. This has been on for two seasons, and you can see it's getting, it's doing its job. We do a lot of rocks here. It's getting pretty narrowed up. But what I'm more concerned with is this right here. That's getting chewed up from rocks. And these tabs, you break these, you're out a whole swing arm pretty much. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order a set of TM Design Works. I replaced this one last year. It's doing okay, but they don't last a long time. You can see it's starting to get a few grooves in there where the chain makes contact with that, slapping up and down. Definitely replace that. But I think I'm gonna get that new piece too that's attaches right onto these tabs that helps protect these, case in point, that. And the TM Design Works fit right on these. So gonna get started on this. Just got my tires done. There's my motor sitting waiting for some parts for that. Just redid my front and rear tires. There's the rear and there's the front. The bearings were great in them. I just took everything apart, cleaned up everything and re-greased, put them all back in. So moving along on a few little things. These are all ready to go back on again. Everything's cleaned up. Got a couple parts to order, and I'll go ahead and start taking this apart and cleaning and getting at the bearings, which should be perfect from what I can tell. There's still nice new grease in that too after 60 hours. Oh wait, no, I did this last winter, so about 30 hours.